way over 100, 200 clients so far, and that's a lot of clients. And I mean, you don't get all of them, but at least you can try to get most of them.
If I remember correctly, you were making about $2,000 before we started working together, and this month we've made, or rather, the first 30 days we've made almost $7,000 during that period of time, and that was in spite of me pushing you to try a higher price point. And I remember we tried that for about 10 days or a little more than that, maybe 10 to 14 days. We tried that, and that didn't work out.
And the first 2 months have been way over our expectations, I would say. So he did a pretty good job getting all our clients and everything. All the advertisement has been spot on. So far, I'm a very happy customer. And
now that we've started running the ads, Nitin, what's your average job ticket or job price with the customers who are coming through the ads?
I would say roughly $255 currently.
Okay.
And that's very good, because we have been doing before, like I said before, when I was with another company, I was actually doing, my job average was $60. Compared to that, that's almost 4 times over. So which is pretty good.
Okay.
And we managed to achieve that in the 2 months, 60 days. That's pretty good. So I would say we're doing the right thing in the right track. Personally, I would recommend Amit because I have had a good experience so far, and I hope we're going to have the same ride the next few months or few years.